Did you know that choosing the wrong health insurance plan could cost you thousands of dollars? In a city like New York, where the cost of living is already sky high, picking the right health insurance isn't just important, it's essential. Today, we're breaking down how you can find the best health insurance plan that fits your needs and saves you money. Stick around, because this could be one of the most important decisions you make this year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate New York's complicated health insurance landscape. We'll cover what plans are available, what coverage you really need, and most importantly, how to get the best value without sacrificing your health or your wallet. Whether you're self-employed, working for a company, or even retired, we've got something for you. Let's face it, health insurance can feel like a maze. With terms like deductibles, premiums, and out-of-pocket maximums, it's no wonder many people feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, we're here to simplify it all. New York has a unique healthcare market, and that means you've got more options than you might think. But more options also mean more confusion, right? Well, not anymore. We're going to break it down step by step. 1. Types of health insurance plans in New York. First, let's talk about the different types of health insurance plans available in New York. You have your HMO, PPO, EPO, and POS plans. I know, a lot of acronyms, right? But understanding them is key to making the best choice for your health needs. HMOs, health maintenance organizations. These tend to be cheaper, but they limit you to a network of doctors. You'll need a referral to see a specialist. PPOs, preferred provider organizations. These give you more flexibility. You can see out-of-network doctors, but you'll pay more for that option. EPOs, exclusive provider organizations. Similar to HMOs, but without the referral requirement. However, out-of-network services are usually not covered at all. POS, point of service. A mix between HMOs and PPOs, offering flexibility in seeing specialists, but requiring referrals. So, which one is right for you? That depends on how much flexibility you need and how often you visit the doctor. Now let's move on to the next big question on your mind. How much is this all going to cost? 2. Understanding costs. When it comes to health insurance in New York, the costs can be, well, let's just say they add up quickly if you're not careful, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how to understand and manage these costs. First, let's break down the 3 key numbers you need to pay attention to: premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Premiums, this is what you pay every month just to have insurance. The higher the premium, the more you pay up front, but often the lower your costs when you actually use your insurance. Deductibles. This is how much you need to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Lower deductibles usually mean higher premiums and vice versa. Out-of-pocket maximum. Once you hit this amount in medical costs, your insurance pays for everything else for the year. This is your safety net. Now, a quick tip. If you don't go to the doctor often, a plan with a higher deductible and lower premium might save you money in the long run. But if you're someone who visits doctors frequently, you'll want to consider a plan with a higher premium, but lower out-of-pocket costs. Let's be real for a second. No one likes paying medical bills. But what's worse? Paying for insurance every month and still having a mountain of bills when something goes wrong. Finding that sweet spot between your premium and deductible can make all the difference. Okay, let's switch gears for a moment. Did you know that New York offers some unique programs to help reduce your costs even further? 3. Special programs in New York. New York is one of the few states with its own marketplace, thanks to the Affordable Care Act. You've got access to plans through the New York State of Health Marketplace, where you may qualify for subsidies based on your income. These can drastically reduce your monthly premium, making healthcare more affordable for thousands of New Yorkers. But that's not all. There's also the Essential Plan. This is a low-cost plan designed for individuals who don't qualify for Medicaid but still need affordable health coverage. If you make too much for Medicaid but not enough to afford full-priced insurance, the Essential Plan could be your best bet. So now that you know the options and costs, how do you actually pick the best plan for you? 4. How to choose the right plan. When selecting a plan, you want to ask yourself 3 main questions. How often do you go to the doctor? If you're someone who's always seeing specialists, consider a PPO for flexibility. But if you're generally healthy, an HMO could save you a lot of money. Do you have any ongoing medical needs? If you have a chronic condition or take regular medications, make sure your plan covers what you need without breaking the bank. Look closely at prescription drug coverage, too. What can you afford to pay monthly? This is where balancing your premium and deductible comes in. It's tempting to go for the lowest premium, but think long-term. What happens if you have a medical emergency? Let's dive deeper into some benefits that could help you decide. 5. Hidden benefits and extras. Many plans in New York come with extra perks that can make your life easier. Things like free preventative care, checkups, vaccines, and screenings that don't cost you a dime. Some plans even offer discounts on gym memberships or wellness programs. And if mental health is a priority for you, look for plans with strong telehealth options. You'd be surprised at how much value these extras can add. Now, while all of this sounds great, there are also some traps you need to avoid. 6. Common mistakes and pitfalls. The number 1 mistake people make? Going for the cheapest plan without considering their actual healthcare needs. Sure, saving money feels great now, but it won't when you're hit with a big medical bill because your plan doesn't cover what you need. Also, don't forget about the network restrictions. Many people sign up for a plan only to realize their doctor isn't in network. Ouch, right? If you're finding this information helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on navigating the tricky world of health insurance. So, what's the best health insurance plan for you in New York? That all depends on your needs, your budget, and your health priorities. But now you have the tools to make an informed decision. Remember, healthcare isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your future. Take the time to choose wisely because your health matters more than anything else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with any questions or share your own experiences with health insurance in New York. Until next time, take care of your health and your wallet.